Saturday and Sunday work. Looking good, guys. Server, the employee entrance, the main meeting room, and working our way over to the back office. Guys, hard at work. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Guys are coming in today. New guys. Got a few new guys starting. Finished last night. There's Boomer. Say hi, Boomer. And guys worked really hard last night. Our crew did to get this put together at the last minute. Nobody's in yet. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at the detail work. It's beautiful. We're gonna have our logo stenciled up here behind one of the sheet metal areas. This is our new office expansion here. Well, there you have it. Our new expansion to this office. We've got several across the country, but with the new employees coming aboard and the new services that we're offering, just wanted to show you a little bit of what we're doing here. And check us out on our website, imstri.com, or give us a shout at 630-636-7411. Of course, you can always subscribe to our LinkedIn channel and our YouTube channel. And on those, you'll see many training sessions that we offer, including the one coming up on extrusion here shortly. Come on, Boomer, let's go.